Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Tyche. This is a confirmed and free airdrop, so if you are one of my followers or you are new in crypto and airdrops, this is going to be a model airdrop for you to do because it's free, confirmed, and it's going to be distributed very soon. Actually, you only have time until the 24th of May. So if you are seeing this video after that date, this airdrop is not anymore available for you. But if you are still in time, I recommend you to do it because it's actually really simple. But the percentage of the supply for this airdrop is really big. Tyche is a project that is working on Zksync and Evmos ecosystem. So it's working in two blockchains, and I think there's a couple of things very interesting about this project that we are going to cover, of course, like always in my step-by-step videos. So before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, like I say, Tyche is incentivized testnet, airdrop is confirmed, so this is going to be directly to the point, really easy to apply. Tyche is an all-in-one web DAPP built on top of Evmos and Zksync blockchains. Currently, Tyche DX feature is live on both platforms, and one of its most innovative features is an NFT lending platform that will soon be launched. The incentivized testnet campaign started May 3 and will last at least 3 weeks until May 24. Testnet participants will be rewarded with Tyche tokens. The incentivized testnet campaign on Zksync amounts is for the 18.5% of the total Tyche airdrop on Zksync and Evmos. To qualify for Tyche rewards, testnet participants need to first to join Zealy and reach level 4, which is very easy to achieve, and this is to avoid the participation of bots as much as possible. This is a quote from the team. Level 4 guys is not too much, so even if this is Zealy X Crew 3, you can get that level pretty quick. So a couple of things about the project. They have 28,000 followers on Twitter, and this was announced on the official channel on Tyche protocol. So the testnet was live, and again this was on May 3. And the things that I'm going to comment about this project and the protocol and the step-by-steps are all from the official Medium page. They already have step-by-step on how to participate, so we are going to cover that in detail here, but all the information that I am sharing is official from them. So how much we are going to have on this tokenomics? The airdrop is at 14%, liquidity pools 33%, rewards 12%, NFT lending, which is the next feature, is 15%, the team is going to take a 14%, there's a community fund of 6% and a strategic fund 6%. According to this, 14% for the team is 70 million tokens, and the same is for the airdrop. So we are expecting a reward of 70 million tokens for this airdrop that is going to last 3-4 weeks at least for now. The major functionality right now is this AMM peer-to-pool method, so they have liquidity providers and everything else that an AMM has. And here in the white paper you can look if you are interested in how the NFT lending protocol is going to work on a little more technical aspect. And this is a part that I wanted to share. I think this is important, the circulating supply. So at Genesis there will be 50 million Tyche tokens in circulation, which represents a 10% of the total token supply, and in 1 year the token supply it will be increased to 326 million Tyche tokens, which represents the 65% of the total token supply. So by the end of the second year the total supply reached 430 million that will be distributed over a period of 8 years, with the majority of the tokens being distributed in the early years. By the end of the year 3, more than 80% of the total token supply will be distributed. And from this Genesis supply, the 10% of the total supply of 50 million tokens will be minted on Genesis, and these minted tokens will mainly be used for the airdrop purposes. So with this information about the circulating supply, I think the price is going to be very attractive for this airdrop. So I think that is one of the things that could really pump the price here when this goes live. So going to the step-by-step, guys, like always, the first step for Tyche incentivized testnet airdrop is follow them on Twitter and follow them on Discord, because this is going to need some Zealy task. you probably are going to need these two. So sometimes you can avoid step 1 and 2, but in this case you really need that. So follow them on Twitter and follow them on Discord. Now the point 3 is that you need to join the Tyche on the Zealy to get the airdrop confirmed. And like I mentioned before, to qualify for the rewards, the testnet participants need to first join Zealy and reach level 4. This is to avoid the participation of bots as much as possible, and this airdrop ends, at least at the moment of recording, on May 23. So go here to the link on the post, and like you are already familiar with airdrops, you need to follow them on many of the social media. So for example, you connect your Twitter account here and you follow the project, and after you follow the project you just click on claim reward. In this case, it's going to ask you to link the Discord, so you will need to link the Discord too, and then you're going to be able to claim this 100 experience point. Here you have your levels, you need to go to level 4 at least, and here you have a leaderboard with all the people that is participating right now and the top ranking of those. Then you can invite people here to the Zealy, then you can join the Discord. If you are in my Discord subscription, I will allow for this particular airdrop that you can share on the specific channel your invites to another people, so we can apply for this airdrop more quickly and easy on my Discord. So if you have my subscription on my Discord, again, you can share these refer links there in the proper channel. We have a channel on my Discord, guys, where we follow each other on Twitter to get more followers, because some airdrops doesn't like Twitter accounts with no followers. So we cover that, and we help each other a lot in terms of these links and sharing information about different airdrops. We are a lot in meme coins right now because it's pumping, Bitcoin, ordinals, and more stuff. So we are really up to date with all the ways that we can make money in crypto, mostly focus on airdrops, but we talk about other stuff too. And if you really want to make a difference on your airdrop hunter path, I have my application here. You can check these videos on how it works. It's going to help you a lot to apply to earn airdrops. I did it for Arbitrum with 12 wallets, and I got a lot of money using my app, doing it very easy. So my app pays itself. You have annual subscriptions very cheap. The price are going to increase on the next month. So don't waste any time. Join the subscription for my Discord and my app. This is the best pack for airdrop hunters that you are going to find right now in the market. So here you have some Twitter stuff to do, which are basically tweet and retweet stuff. So it's very, very easy to do. And you have some readings, also very easy stuff. For example, the daily connect that is going to give you 10 points of experience. So it's really easy to go to level 4. So not much time, guys, that you are going to spend there. Now the step 4 is that you need to add Zksync era testnet if you don't have it. So go to chain list here, and here you have your Zksync era testnet. So if you're using MetaMask, just click to connect your wallet. It's going to pump the information, so you just connect there. It's very easy. If it's your first time, you need to allow the site to add the network, click on approve, and you can move to the testnet there. Now the step 5 is that you need some Goerli Ethereum faucet tokens. It's not easy at this moment because of all the fees and stuff in Ethereum, but I have a video on how you can get those tokens, so check this link. It's going to send you to this webpage. So here you have my video on what Goerli Ethereum is and how to get the tokens, and all the links and ways of how you can get those Goerli Ethereum tokens. So check this. This is going to help you to found your wallet now. So after you get your Goerli Ethereum 1000 tokens, you go to step 6, which is go to the Zksync portal and bridge the tokens. If you are doing my tutorial of the airdrop of Zksync, you are familiar with this, but if not, it's actually really easy. You just go here for the link, you click and connect your wallet while you are in your Zksync era testnet, and you will know that you are in the testnet because it says Goerli here on the top, so it's era Goerli. If you don't see the Goerli, it means that you are in the mainnet, and down here I am blocking right now that, but you can change from the Zksync era testnet to the mainnet. So the portal looks really similar, but I recommend you to use my link so you go directly to the Goerli. And here you need to bridge. So you're going to have here your Goerli Ethereum tokens. At this moment I have 51. So you just put some amount. It could be less than 1. And you can move that to Zksync era testnet. So just click on deposit. This is going to take you like 10 minutes or maybe a little more. So be patient on that. And this way you are going to found your Zksync era testnet wallet. So after you do that, we go to the step 7, which is we get faucet tokens from Tyche. So we go to this link, connect your MetaMask, and now that because you have already to pay gas, you just can request each of these tokens. This is going to help you to interact and to not use your Goerli Ethereum for the transactions. So doing that, it's going to be easy for you to transact. And you can see token request successfully. You can see your transaction. This is on Zksync to Testnet era. So maybe it's a requirement to test the testnet of era for Zksync. So maybe worth it to do these transactions also for Zksync. So you can see I already claimed these ones. So I will claim USDT, for example. Just click here. I will put some aggressive gas fees just to get it and make it work. And after you claim that, you should have that in your wallet. You can see my 2 transactions here requesting tokens. So do this for all these 5 tokens here and you will be done. Now let's go to step 8, which is we need to test the DAPP. You can make swaps weekly, create pools weekly also, stake your Tyche daily in competitive tasks, and claim your rewards in the farm section weekly. So go here to the link of the application, and instead of using my Goerli Ethereum, I will use some of the faucet tokens. You can see I claim it USDC and USDT. So I will put USDC here, and I will select, let's say, Tyche token. You need to click here down here to allow the Tyche protocol to use your USDC. Remember, this is faucet, so there's no issues and danger on doing this. So what I'm trying to do now is use and trade and swap half of the USDC for Tyche tokens. So once the approve of the contract is done, you can click on swap and confirm the swap. Pay your gas fees, and the transaction submitted. You can add PCH to MetaMask, so you can see your tokens after, and you can see this in the Explorer. This is on Zksync era Goerli, and you can see here the swap of the 5 USDC. We close this, and you can see that I have available balance. So we already did the swap. And the next, guys, is you go to the liquidity pool. We already did this a couple of times, so you can create or add liquidity. It's not difficult. You can stake also, so just follow this step, which are make swaps, create pools, stake your Tyche, and claim your rewards. After you do the, guys, you are done for this airdrop. It's really easy. So just go to level 4 on Zealy and just interact with the application. You have 13 days from the time of recording. Maybe they extend the date, I'm not sure, but for now it's going to end the 23rd of May. And step 9, guys, is that they have an NFT to mint, but right now it's not possible to do it. This is in this link of mint Tyche zone. And if you go and you connect with your Zksync era, it's going to fail, so you need to connect here with Evmos. So this is not exactly required for the airdrop per se, but maybe you want to just get one of these NFTs just in case that this serves to any purpose after. And you also can go and see for the Zksync era mainnet NFT, but right now this is on Evmos. Yeah, down up here you can switch to Zksync era if you want to check that, but right now are not available for Zksync. So right now you can click on the public sell mint of Evmos, and you will need to wait for the Zksync one. But just keep an eye on that, step 9, in order to see if you really want that. But with all the steps on step 8, you're going to be fine. So just to recap, guys, Tyche incentivized testnet airdrop is confirmed. The steps are follow them on Twitter, follow them on Discord. You need to do the task in Zealy and get to level 4 to participate. After you have the level 4 reached there, then you go to Zksync era testnet, add it into your MetaMask, get some Goerli Ethereum faucet, and then step 6, you go to Zksync portal on the Goerli version and you bridge that in the portal. So you move Goerli Ethereum from the Ethereum network of testnet into the Zksync testnet. Then step 7, you get some faucet tokens for Tyche. And step 8, you just interact with the app, which is make swap, create pools, stake, and claim your rewards. That will be all for this airdrop, guys. So guys, that will be all for Tyche Confirmed free airdrop. You just need level 4 on Zealy and interact with the application. Really easy to do. Don't waste any time, start to do it now. And at least do it 1 per week for the next 2 weeks. I would recommend you to do it 2 times at least, so you really participate here. And if you really want to maybe be completely sure to get the best position, you will need to escalate and get more levels on the Zealy leaderboard. Remember also to check my subscriptions in case you are interested. My application is going to help you to apply to airdrops really easy. For example, this one is going to be in my app as soon as this video is launched. So with a couple of clicks, you are going to apply easily to that airdrop, and many other, more than 50, or I would say we are around 70 active airdrops right now. And everything is organized on my application, and if you use multiple wallets, it's the same, you can use it and it's going to be super clear for you. And my Discord, we are killing it there, guys, so join my Discord if you really want to be up to date with everything in airdrops and crypto projects to earn money. That will be all. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notification. Don't forget to follow me in Twitter at CryptoCState, because many things I am only posting in Twitter. So CryptoCState is a place that you need to follow me besides join my private Discord. That will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.